Welcome to the 21st Annual Sounds of the Season. Christmas, more than any other holiday, celebrates wonderful traditions. This year, we've asked Rob, Vicki, and Kathy to share their story. It's a story of their mother, Kitty, who inspired us all with her sense of humor and never-ending optimism.
My name is Vicki Rueseler Overstreet, and on behalf of our family, Rob, John, Kathy, and myself, we'd like to welcome you to the 21st Annual Sounds of the Season.
Each of our patients is an individual, and each has a unique story. All of our patients, like Kitty, inspire, encourage, and remind us of the many blessings found in each new day.
We're here primarily to talk about my mother, Catherine Rueseler. She's from Augusta, Georgia. She met my dad in World War II at a USO show, and he swept her off her feet and moved her back to Cape Girardeau.
Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Moore, and I had the distinct honor and privilege of getting to know and take care of Miss Kitty Rueseler. I will never forget the Southern belle that she was, but also the spirit that she embodied. She never let cancer define who she was. She was a person with cancer, but never a cancer patient.
The Sounds of the Season is so important to our family because it represents the Cape Girardeau and the Southeast Cancer Center, and the care that my mother got while she was there was just amazing. And each week when she went, she was given love and care, and they listened to her.
There was a really terrific time when we as a family tried to go every week with her, but one week we couldn't. There was some bad news, and Angie Tyget knew the bad news was coming. So Angie knew we weren't going to be there that day, and my mom was going to get this pretty bad news. And so she just spent like 2 hours with her, just loving on her, talking to her, treating her like a princess.
Southeast Cancer Center is dedicated to providing the highest quality of care through prevention and early detection, evidence-based therapies, and a multidisciplinary approach, guided by the philosophy of healing the whole person.
We have a jewel right there on I-55 at the Cancer Center, and it's just everything they do. The people there don't do it for the money. The employees you can tell they're dedicated.
The Cancer Care Fund is so important. Anything that a patient might need and not be able to cover during this time in their life when they need support.
Your donation to the Cancer Care Fund helps ensure we continue to provide world-class care and inspiration to the patients who choose us to be at their side along their cancer journey. This past year, over 3,000 Southeast Cancer Center patients have been touched by this fund. Over 3,000 fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers, children, co-workers, and friends have found compassion and hope thanks to the generosity of people like you.
My name is Angie Tyget. I work as a journey guide here at Southeast Cancer Center. I had the privilege of being Kitty Rueseler's journey guide. Please consider a donation at this holiday time to make a difference in the lives of the patients we serve.
Giving is easy. Just text SOUNDS to 50155. Call the SoutheastHEALTH Foundation office or visit our website at sehealth.org/sounds.
So please, anything you can give to the Cancer Care Fund will benefit so many families, and just like our family benefited. Thank you.
As you celebrate this Christmas with your family and create new stories and warm memories, remember our story and how your generous gift can help inspire and encourage patients who find themselves on their own cancer journey. Have a Merry Christmas, and please enjoy the sounds of the season.